Welcome to Highway 30. I'm Amy.
And I'm Sarah, and we're here to help you get creative again this week.
Yeah. Today we just have a short little video to put together for you about putting together an Easter basket for a teen.
Yes, so we're in that zone now, which is crazy.
Yeah, they don't need any more candy. No. Sorry. What we did, I ran to Walmart. Our Walmart now has the little dollar spot, just like Target always has, like $1, $3, and $5 items.
Yeah.
And they had some really cute things. So I started there.
Makes it easy.
Yeah. We've got our Walmart bag here. And I found this cute little decor tray. So that's when we're like, okay, this could be really cute sitting on the bathroom counter, right?
Like we really want to put a sticker on it, but we're not going to
today. Not today. We're just going to fill it up. This little basket was $5, but actually they had already put it on clearance.
Oh wow.
$3.50.
Look at you.
For this basket, and which should still be in the stores right now if you think you must have it. Cut the tag off of it.
Sweet.
They also had these little terracotta pots, so everything needs a little flower in it.
It does need a little flower in it. A little green, a little nature.
This was $5 for 2 pots.
So we're just gonna place this as a little spot of greenery. Not sure exactly where everything's gonna go yet. And we love the little succulents off Amazon. Watch that video. There's a hair. So we're just gonna pop that in there kind of casually. Yeah, just to give some green, some fluff.
Now these girlies love their lotions and things and getting ready in the morning and face and whatever. So
it's a spa day every day.
This is like, it's just Sara and Amy's favorite things. This is the most amazing smelling.
I'm really actually
lotion.
Shocked that we never did a commercial about this.
Oh, I know. Yeah.
I'm surprised this did not make its way into a 1992 commercial.
Right, exactly. Cherry almond scent Jergens must be on your countertop.
Add some height to the gift basket here.
Ooh, this?
The roller.
Oh, yes. This is apparently a must-have right now.
If you've not used one of these, it's amazing. It's so cold, it's icy. You don't even have to like refrigerate it.
But before you do that, you really need to put your hair up in a brand new scrunchy clip.
That's right.
Yeah,
so you need that claw clip, and then you're gonna do your little rolly facial exercise.
All while you drink coffee out of your new coffee mug.
We're waking up, we're taking away inflammation.
And then you're ready to go to sleep. But are you tired?
I don't know if you're tired.
Look what I found.
You probably don't look tired.
No, probably don't look tired.
But you might be tired.
Dr. Teal's Sleep Balm with melatonin and essential oils.
I have this cream. It's
amazing. Really? Awesome.
Yes. Yeah.
So we're gonna add a little bit of that.
Smells really good.
And then last but not least, you know, a little, after you've had a good night's sleep and you're getting up and getting ready, you need a little bit of your favorite foundation for your makeup.
Color, just a little bit of tone
there. Just add a little fresh one there.
Voila.
Easter basket for the teenager.
She's gonna be so excited.
No, that was fun. Well, that's a little quick video for you today. We hope you enjoyed joining us, and we'll see you next week.
Yep, have a happy Easter.